Hey tech lovers! Welcome back to S Nexus TV, your go-to spot for the latest and greatest in gadgets. Today, we're diving into an absolute powerhouse that brings both performance and style, the P65 smartphone. Whether you're a heavy gamer, a multitasker, or just love a phone that can keep up with you, this one's packed with features you won't want to miss. So let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about the design, because this phone is stunning. Drawing inspiration from mecha design, it combines strength and style into a sleek, futuristic look. The Cyber Shield material gives it that resilient, robust feel, and the brushed metallic texture, a total game changer. If you're someone who loves bold aesthetics and durability, this phone will definitely turn heads. Now let's get to the heart of it, the 5000 mAh battery. This thing is a beast. With 3 days of light use or up to 2 days of heavy use, you won't have to worry about your battery dying halfway through the day. And if you're someone who's always on the go, you'll appreciate this. The battery has a 4-year lifespan and can handle 1000 charge cycles. It also has health management features to track your battery's health, usage stats, and even give you maintenance tips to make sure it lasts as long as possible. Need even more battery power? The 2400 mAh charging case is included for free, boosting your battery life by 45%. So if you're out and about and your battery's running low, you can just slip it in the case and charge up while you're on the move. Worry-free. Plus, with 18W super low temperature fast charging, you get 3 hours of talk time or 2 hours of Facebook browsing after just 5 minutes of charging. Yes, you heard that right. Just a quick charge, and you're good to go. No overheating issues whatsoever. And for those of us who charge overnight, the AI charging mode learns your charging habits and automatically stops charging once the phone reaches 100%, keeping your battery safe and extending its life. Moving on to storage and performance, the P65 doesn't disappoint. With 256GB of ROM, you've got plenty of space for all your photos, apps, and media. No need to constantly worry about running out of space. And if you're a power user, you'll love the 12GB of RAM. That's right, 12GB of ultra-fast RAM, meaning you can easily run up to 18 apps in the background without a hitch. Whether you're multitasking for work or handling all your social media apps, this phone's got the power to do it all. Now, for the gamers out there, this is where the P65 really shines. Thanks to the iBoost gaming engine, you can swipe left during gameplay to open up a tactical panel and switch between 3 different performance modes to fit your playstyle. Whether you want maximum frame rate stability or power-saving mode, the iBoost engine has you covered. So if you're into mobile gaming, this phone's performance will give you a smooth, immersive experience. K-charge, and you're good to go. No overheating issues whatsoever. To sum it up, the P65 smartphone brings you a stunning design, powerful performance, and a robust battery that'll last you for days. Whether you're working, gaming, or just enjoying some Netflix, this phone is ready for anything you throw at it. What do you think? Could this be your next phone? Drop a comment below, let me know your thoughts, and if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on S Nexus TV. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.